So, ito i-share ko sa inyo. Itong twister exercise toy that I bought. This one is very nice for everyone to use. Very simple, very handy. If you are not so keen on difficult exercises, this one is very simple. Just put it there. And then, mag-ano ka, step on it. Hindi ba makita? Hindi nakikita dyan. Step doon. And you have to twist. Okay, so you have I love you. Yep. Yep. And twist again like we do that summer. Oh, twist again. And a twister time this year. Ayan, di ba? Oh. Let's twist again. Okay, so